Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Chrysler Pacifica in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. We will cover the standard method using the rotary shifter and also the emergency manual override, which is crucial if your battery is dead or you lack a key. Understanding both ensures you are prepared for any situation. For a standard shift to neutral, begin by turning your Pacifica's ignition on, but do not start the engine. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. While keeping the brake depressed, simply rotate the electronic gear selector dial to the N position for neutral. The dashboard display should confirm your selection. This method is straightforward when your vehicle has power. If your Pacifica has a dead battery or no key, you'll need the emergency override. Look for a small plastic cap or panel near the rotary shifter on the center console. Carefully pry it open with a small flathead screwdriver. Inside, you will find a small lever or button. Press and hold this lever firmly while simultaneously rotating the shifter dial to neutral. After engaging neutral, always confirm the N indicator on your dashboard. Remember, a vehicle in neutral can roll freely, so always block the wheels if you are on an incline. This manual override is designed for emergencies like towing. Once your vehicle has power, you can shift back to park normally. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.